We just bought a drone. This is our first flight.
Oh, I haven't taken the front off.
Oop.
Sorry,
We're learning. Aren't we, darling? We're learning. Our maiden mission.
Aircraft entered altitude zone.
Will she fly? Will she not? What was it saying?
This is the aircraft zone area, so you can only go up to 60 metres.
Yeah, but you've got it set for that, hey?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the heck happened there? Oh no, that's not what I want. I've lost my map.
That's all right. Take your time.
Where is it? My map's gone weird already. How do I go back?
Will we fly today? I don't know. Drone says no. Oh, shit's happening.
Can't hear it.
I can. Oh my goodness, look at it go. Hopefully we'll get something out of this.
There's the camera gone. Video. I'm videoing this, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I thought it just starts up by itself. It doesn't then. How cool is that?
So, yeah.
It just looks like a
There you are, you're on
massive
camera.
bloody mosquito. Oh, whoa. God, I've lost it already. You know what? I'm just going to stand this up. I'm going to stand this up.
Look at you. I'm looking at us now. I'll bring it down a bit.
Control aircraft to turn left.
Oh, turn left.
Control aircraft to
You
turn
can see that, can't you?
Control aircraft to
I
forward.
can't see it through there. How cute is that? That is so cute.
Control aircraft to move leftward.
What does that say?
Just tell me, I'll move leftward.
Control aircraft to move rightward.
So that's you operating it left and right.
Okay, tap here.
I'm just guessing here. Dave,
Yes?
is that you operating it left and right?
Yeah, no, it was telling me what to do.
All right.
Go home.
Oh, how cute. Oh my goodness. Look at the little Buzzy. We'll call him Buzzy. Oh, that's so cute. Is he going to land?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's adorable.
That's what I mean, I haven't got a proper mat, it's going to miss it.
Oh, how cute is that? That was just adorable, Dave.
Oh well, I didn't crash it.
You didn't crash anything.
Now make it go up and turn on, go around you. I've got to go and read that again. There's a road there, that's...
We have to name it. What are we going to name it? Dave, naming ceremony? It's a baby.
Go away, it's my bird. Attack! Attack!
Oh, that's so cute! Oh my God, that's adorable. Yay!
Oh, I'm not videoing, am I?
I don't know. I am. Hi, little drone. Hello.
Oh, I lost it. There you go. It's looking at us, dude.
Hey, little
See?
droney. Oh, we have to name him. Is it going to be him or her?
Is it behaving itself? It's a bloke.
Okay, so he can be a he. And we'll call him. What will we call him, guys?
Oh, there's also Zoom.
Let us know.
I'll have to work that out too.
Oh my, it's windy here. Look at my hair, it's all over the place. What a mess.
This is where I'll have to get normal glasses.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you will. So what is that drone, Dave?
The DJI Mini 3 Pro.
DJI Mini 3 Pro.
Yeah.
Hey, little guy. Come down to Mama. It's your baby. Oh, don't fall over, little guy. Oh, he's
What?
coming towards us. He needs a name. Oh, you're so cute. Look at you with your little black eyes.
They're the ones above the gimbal. They're for impact. It'll stop, and the same for it's got the two at the top,
Oh, yeah.
two underneath, and two at the back. So if it goes backwards, it'll stop if it's going to run into something. Forward it'll run, and down it'll stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought the gimbal was a thing that turned around.
Well, that is the light is the gimbal. The camera's the gimbal. That's so they can go.
Oh, right,
Yeah.
okay. Gimbal's the thing that I'm still waiting for in the post for my phone. It's so cool. So I think we're all bought out for tech. I think we've got everything that we possibly
Dude,
need.
I'm watching the plane.
Oh, that is so cool! I'll have to look at this footage later and revel in your marvellousness.
They might have if I had it on.
Oh, you didn't. Come on.
Oh no.
Goodness.
I kept on forgetting to turn it on.
See, it just shrugged its shoulders and went, oh well. That is so cute.
Where's it going now? I'm not looking there.
So I got this awesome extendable tripod that the GoPro is sitting on right now. Absolutely fantastic. It's alloy, it's extendable, and it's just so portable. I absolutely love it. Everything we've bought so far, I'm absolutely loving. I'm loving this whole journey of discovering new tech. I mean, it's not new tech. You guys know all about it, but you know, we don't. We're older people, aren't we, Dave?
Mm.
Hello, little drone. Oh, it's so cute. You're so cute. Oh my God, I can't believe how cute you are.
There's no impact to the side, so if I go sideways into the tree, there's bye-bye.
Oh no.
It's only for forward.
Okay. What are we going to call him?
I know yet. Survived.
The survivor. Destructo drone.
No, he's not Destructo, he's in one piece.
Can't give him a people name, it has to be a Marvel name. Hands up those that want a Marvel name for the drone.
No. I might be silly, but not that silly.
Alright, well, you might have to have a boy name then.
Here we go.
Doug the drone. Danny the drone.
Okay. Oh, I'm going to take him back.
David
over
drone.
here. Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect. Dave drone.
I'll take it over here to bring it home away from that tree. So, now I'll just bring it home.
Bring it home, baby. Bring it home. Bring home Dave the drone. We can't call him Dave. It'll get too confusing. Dave, have you got Dave? Why does it have to start with a D?
Oh, turn around.
Oh, turn around the other way. Can
That's
you do
not
that?
too bad, eh?
That's awesome.
That's
for a
nearly in the same
second-
spot.
That's awesome for a second go.
I can't remember how to do the other one, so I'll have to droney rocket, which goes straight up.
Droney drone.
This one's droney rocket.
Sorry, I'm still looking at
Circle.
names.
How do I do that again?
Oops, let me just put you down. Dave wants to try the tracking. Is it the
Active
tracking?
track.
Active track, where he has to draw a little square around himself, and
Oh,
and the drone comes back to him. Is that right?
yeah.
Look, I'm just learning. I'm just the fool in the corner holding the camera.
It's only got 44% left on the battery.
That's all right. Just give it a shot, and then we'll shut it down for the day. Charge him back up. Ooh.
Oh, it was touching the
Yeah, but that's okay. All right, so have you figured it out? Are you doing it? It's a man of little words, this man. Oh God, he's so cute. I love him. It's like where the camera is it's his little mouth, and those little bits, obviously the top two bits are his eyes, and his front two arms and his back two legs, shall we say, for want of a better term. Oh, it's dragging him. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Why am I finding this so damn cute? Another damn plane that we should be on. We're not returning here.
That's not wrong.
Is it not supposed to follow you?
Yeah,
Oh. Sorry if this is wibbly wobbly. I've taken the tripod down and I'm actually holding it now. Well, I've got the stabilizer on, it should be okay. So guys, what do you think of our new drone? I love him. I think he's so cute. When I edit this, I'll put some drone footage in with it.
There you go, dude.
I'm hoping. Oh, look, he's doing it. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. I hope you're videoing that, Dave. Oh. Oh my goodness, man. You are now? That's cute. Okay, so I would say that going forward from this day, Dave will be the drone operator and I'll be the camera operator. That's just too cute. He's following you like a little dog with wings.
It's like a magpie. It's going to swoop on me. Okay, the battery's getting low.
All right, bring him in.
See, there's somewhere where I've got to click on controls to bring it back to...
Whoa, Dave.
What?
You meant to do that?
Yeah, it's coming back by itself.
Okay.
You can do it to a control if you're miles away.
Yeah.
You're going to safety. It's a bit out with it. My battery's getting low, so... Oh, don't get over a little bit further, buddy. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Don't crash it. That's all right. Ooh. Make sure you don't land on long grass.
Yeah.
Our battery's a bit low now. We're
Yeah.
done. I can get it to follow me. That's not
We're
bad for
done.
your first
We're
attempt.
done. All right. Awesome. On my little tripod legs, of which I'm finding very, very handy. Indeed. Oh, there's a golf ball. Someone's playing golf out here. That's so cute.
That'll do it.
That'll do us. Over and out. That was our maiden voyage with
And I
our
didn't crash
droney
it.
drone.
I got told it's easy. Oh, the battery's getting pretty low too.
All right, so we're signing off on this little maiden voyage of ours, and thank you for coming along.
Thank you for coming along and watch me not crash.
It's going to poke me in the eyes with those bloody propellers in a minute. See ya.